Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Google Flow to generate a vertical video. And this is a vertical video you can use on TikTok, on Instagram Reels, on YouTube Shorts. And you will know that you can only use VEO3 to create horizontal video only previously, but right now you can now create vertical videos. So there is a new update that Google Flow has already rolled in that will make you create a vertical video without the complex way whereby you need to edit your prompts, you need to take it to CapCut. You don't need to do that anymore. You just need to put your prompt and it's going to generate a vertical video for you, which you can use on TikTok, you can post it on Instagram Reels, you can post it on YouTube Shorts, and any platform that accepts vertical sized video. So without further ado, let us dive right into it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel right now so you can be able to get wonderful content like this. So right now I'm on Google Flow, but if you don't know how to access Google Flow, let me show you right now. You need to open a new tab or go to your tab and just search for Google Flow. As you can see, just search for Google Flow. So when you search for Google Flow, you make sure you click on this flow. Mind you, this is not for everybody. If you don't have a Google One Pro account, you won't be able to get access to this. And for those that already have the Pro, you can use this freely. You can use this without any hassle at all, and make sure you also have Google Flow credits. For those that don't have this kind of account yet, make sure you check the description below, and I'm going to put a link whereby you can be able to get the 12-month access or the 12-month activation for the Pro, right? So yeah, let us continue. After you search for Google Flow, just click on this button right here, this first one, Flow, and you click on Create with Flow. So it's going to start loading. So it might bring prompts for you, like some conditions for you to pass through, some things that you need to accept. You just need to do that. But because I've already logged in, so I don't need to do that anymore. So the next we are going to do is to create new project. Let us click on new project. Now we are on new project. Wonderful. So you can see that you have different things that you can do right here. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to use frame to video and how to also generate images with frame to video and so on and so forth. But with this one, we are only going to focus on text to video. So you are going to notice that I'm on VEO3 fast right here. So how can I set it? I just need to click on these settings right here. I can change my model, but make sure you are using VEO3 fast because it has a natural audio. VEO2 does not have any audio. VEO3 charges 100 credits, so I won't advise you to use it at all. Make sure you only use VEO3 fast. So I will also advise you to set your output to 1. If you're setting your output to 2, it's going to charge 40 credits per video that you create. But if your output 1, is only going to charge 20 credits. And here you can see that there's another option here called aspect ratio. So this landscape mode is the 16:9, which is a normal horizontal video that we normally create on VEO3 or on Google Flow, right? So you are going to see that there's another option here called portrait, and this portrait is the vertical video that we are talking about, which is 9:16 aspect ratio. So that's just changed everything. It's changed everything. You don't need to start editing your prompts that you should do a dark screen or a white screen or whatsoever. You only need to switch to portrait right there. As you can see, I've switched to portrait. I selected VEO3 fast, output just 1. So I already have few prompts that I've copied. So let me just go and copy them one after the other. Let me start with this prompt. And in case you don't know how to write prompts for VEO3 videos, or you don't know how to create consistent character, make sure you check my previous videos on how to do that. So I won't just be doing that again in this video. Go to my previous videos and go and check how to do that. Good. So let me paste these prompts that I've created already with the method I taught in my previous video. Let me exit this. So now I'm going to, don't forget, this is already in vertical. You can see vertical. So let me now click on send. Wonderful. You can see the loading screen is even different. It is not the normal horizontal loading screen that we normally have. Now we have a vertical type of loading screen. You can see how wonderful this is. So we need to wait for it to get to 100%. I'm going to pause this video and come back. So voila, now we are back. You can see that the video has generated successfully. Let us now play the video and see how it is.
Oh yeah, now click to get early access. Oh, before you go finish, don't dull yourself. Oh yeah, now.
So right now you can see how crazy that is. Imagine posting this kind of vertical video on TikTok, on YouTube Shorts, or posted on Instagram Reels. That is really crazy. So you don't need to stress yourself in using some corny way to get or create vertical videos with VEO3 anymore. Now you can do that right here on Google Flow. On Google Flow, you can see it. So let me copy another prompt that I have and generate another video. So here we go. I just need to paste the prompt. Everything's already created, and let us see what is going to generate for us in the vertical way. So this is the new video that I just generated, right? You can see the prompt right here. Generate an 8 seconds energetic commercial video set in a bustling Nigeria, whatever. So you can see, let us play it and see.
See this meat? Fresh, soft, perfect for your Sunday soup. Come chop better.
You can see how crazy
meat?
that is.
Fresh.
And this is in perfect vertical aspect ratio. That is good for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. That is really crazy. And how can you add this to the screen builder? This is how to do that. You go to your screen builder right here. You know where the screen builder is. So then you can be able to add the stuff. So let me put it on full screen and play it again so that you can
soft,
see.
Perfect for your Sunday soup. Come chop better.
So you can see this is a vertical mobile phone size, and this is really wonderful. So guys, if you know you want to get the premium accounts or the pro accounts for Google One or for Google AI Pro, so that you can be able to access this kind of features on Google Flow, on Google Vids, and Google Gemini, make sure you check the link in the description below to be able to get access, or message me on WhatsApp. You will be able to see my WhatsApp number on the description below as well. So thank you guys. Bye.